Welcome back to Saya Resam, where we journey through the latest tech innovations with a critical eye. Today, we'll unbox a gadget that promises to change the way you interact with your home. Today we're taking a hands-on look at something small, affordable, but surprisingly fun: the Aric Flip Plus. At first glance, it looks like just another compact mini projector. But after using it for a few days, I realized this thing is actually designed for one very specific purpose: turning any wall or even your ceiling into a cozy home theater in seconds. And honestly, it might be one of the chillest gadgets you can have in your bedroom. Let's start with the unboxing experience. Inside the box, everything is neatly packed and secure. You get the projector itself, a remote control, a power cable, a user manual, and even a small thank you letter from Aric. It's simple, clean, and straightforward. However, there are two small things missing: there's no HDMI cable and no AAA batteries for the remote. So you'll need to prepare those yourself if you plan to connect a laptop or console right away. The remote, though, is surprisingly good. The buttons feel solid and responsive, not cheap or mushy like many budget projectors. And here's the cool part: it has dedicated shortcut buttons for YouTube, Netflix, and Prime Video. That means these apps are officially supported, not sideloaded or hacked versions. For a projector at this price, that's a big win. Now let's talk design. The Aric Flip Plus has a clean and practical look. It's compact and boxy, measuring about 8.3 by 6.3 by 6.9 inches. So it doesn't take up much space on a desk or nightstand. There's a power button on top, while the front houses the projection lens and a camera sensor for autofocus. But the real highlight is the stand. It features a built-in gimbal-style base that rotates up to 180 degrees. This makes positioning incredibly easy. You can literally tilt it upward and project straight onto your ceiling, without needing a tripod or extra accessories. In real-world use, this is amazing. Watching movies while lying in bed, projecting onto the ceiling feels super relaxing. It's also great for small meetings, presentations, or even outdoor movie nights where you just want quick setup. Around the back, you'll find all the ports: one HDMI, one USB, a 3.5mm headphone jack, an IR receiver, and the power input. Ventilation is also located here to keep temperatures stable during long sessions. On the bottom, there are mounting holes for tripods or ceiling mounts. Plus, something you rarely see in mini projectors: a removable dust filter. This makes cleaning easier and helps extend the lifespan of the device. Now here's where things get really interesting: the software. The Aric Flip Plus runs official Android TV 14. Not some sketchy modified Android build. This is the real deal. That means you get Google Assistant voice control, built-in Chromecast, and smooth access to the Play Store. Casting videos from your phone or laptop is fast and seamless. Navigating menus feels responsive, and apps open quickly. Compared to many cheap projectors that lag constantly, this feels way more polished. Moving on to image quality. The projector outputs native Full HD 1080p resolution and delivers around 600 ANSI lumens of brightness. In a dark room or low-light environment, the image looks sharp, clear, and vibrant. Perfect for movies, sports, or casual gaming. It supports screen sizes from 40 inches all the way up to about 190 inches. During testing, I placed it about 15 feet away from the wall, even with some ambient light in the room, and the picture was still totally watchable. You also get AI autofocus and auto keystone correction. Autofocus works well, but keystone sometimes needs manual adjustment for the perfect rectangle. Hardware-wise, it's pretty modest: 1 GB RAM and 8 GB storage. So while Android TV runs smoothly most of the time, heavy multitasking can feel a bit slow. Still, for streaming and basic use, it's fine. The built-in 5-watt speaker gets loud enough for a small bedroom, but bass is limited. For better sound, I recommend connecting a Bluetooth speaker. Finally, heat and noise are impressive. After watching movies for 4 to 5 hours straight, the projector only felt slightly warm, and the fan stayed whisper quiet. So overall, if you want an affordable, portable projector with real Netflix support, smooth Android TV, and that super fun 180-degree ceiling projection feature, the Eric Flip Plus is honestly a fantastic little home cinema companion. Small size, big vibes, perfect for chilling.